Hello guys, this is the Solfa foundation of the song Nwanyioma by Lil M. The key of the song is B major. Remember to subscribe on this channel, then turn on the notification button for more updates. Also like, share and comment on this video. Thank you. Do do re re do mi do re do re ti 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 re do re do mi do re ti do mi do mi re ti. La do re do re ti. Hope you got that last part. So next part goes thus. Listen carefully. Do la do re do la ti. Do re ti do la do re do la ti re do la do re do la ti re ti do la do re do la ti. Hope you got that part very well. So the next part goes like this. Re do. Do re do. Now, for the next part is a rap. So I'll take the next part very slow. Next part will be a bit more challenging, though not so much challenging, just a little bit challenging. So you have to listen carefully for the next part. So it goes thus. La do ti do la ti. La do ti do re do la ti. Hope you got that. So you return back to re ti do la do re do la ti. Do re ti do la do re do la ti. Re do la do re do la ti. Do re ti do la do re do la ti. So the next part is rap and is very challenging. So I will take it very slow for you to get it. So next part you need to listen carefully because this part is very fast. So you need to listen carefully to get it. So I will break it down bit by bit. So it goes thus. Do ti so do so ti la ti la. La do ti do sa do ti la ti la. La do ti do sa ti la do la do re ti do re do. So now you're supposed to return back to do la do, but let me repeat this rap again. Do ti sa do so ti la 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 do ti ti do sa 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 do ti la 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 do ti ti do sa 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 ti la do la do re ti do re do. Then now we return back. I hope you got that part very, very well. That rap part, that first part. So now we return back to do la do. Let me sing it again. Do la do la ti re ti do la do la ti re do la do la ti re ti do la do la ti. So with this, we have come to the end of the soft foundation of this song. Hope you can now play it in any instrument. The soft foundation is the same for any instrument you want to play, both piano, violin, recorder, saxophone, trumpet. With this soft notation, you can play this song in any instrument you want to play it. So with this soft notation, we guide you in all the instruments that you want to play this particular song in. So remember to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button for more updates, share, comment, like this video. Then if you need any other song, please let me know in the comment section. Have you joined my membership level? Please join my membership level to get all songs on demand. It's not expensive. For lowest level, 450 a month. 450 naira a month. It's not that expensive. Or $0.99. It's not